Hello everyone, welcome to 1045 Engineering. So this is yet another video in our Grind 75, a better blind 75 coding series. Let's jump into today's question. So we have already solved 4 out of the 75 problems. We are at 5th problem in our Grind 75 coding series. Today's problem is valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all the uppercases letters into lowercases letter, removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. You can see civic is a palindrome because if you read from forward or backward, it is CIVIC, same as radar, same as level. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the code and let's see. So last time we had solved the best time to buy and sell stock as well. So in our Grind 75 coding series, we have already completed 4 problem statements. Today's problem is valid palindrome. Let's check. Okay, let's go through the problem statement again quickly. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all upper letters into lower letters and removing all alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Okay, you can see as an example, a man, comma, a plan, comma, a canal, colon, Panama. This is a palindrome because if you read from this side, then you can say man, then you can say plan, similarly a canal, and then PANAMA, Panama. So please understand that it is after removing all the non-alphanumeric characters. Alphanumeric characters are alphabets A to Z and numericals 0 to 9. Plus all the alphabets in converting them into lower cases, so that upper cases and lower cases would be same. Okay, similarly race a car, you can see RACA. This is not a valid palindrome, right? So let's quickly solve this. The easiest approach is just to take a string, remove all the non-alphanumeric characters, reverse it, and then match it again. Let's see. Okay, we'll simply say string s1 equals to s, which is our string s, dot replace all. So we are going to remove all the alphanumeric characters, all the non-alphanumeric characters. Okay, how do we do that? So we first provide this regex expression. This is exclusion of A to Z, capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9. So I'm saying replace all these non-alphanumeric characters. These are alphanumeric characters, and with this symbol we are making it non-alphanumeric characters with blank, right? So it will remove this space, the comma, colon, everything. Then I make 2 lowercase, and then I'm converting the string to lowercase. Similarly, I'll create another string s2 equals to let's say new string buffer. String buffers are mutable. S1, so we are passing S1, so we are passing this string into our string buffer. Please, if you're unaware of string buffer, please go through the videos. So we are creating a new string buffer from S1, and then we are saying dot reverse dot toString. Simple. Now we can simply write return s1 dot equals s2. So s1 will have this string, the initial string, with all the spaces, commas, colon, and all the non-alphanumeric letters removed. So it will become something like this. And then s2 is just a reverse of our s1. So we created a reverse string from s1, which would be something from here. Now we are just going to match if S1 is equal to S2. If it is equal, that means it is a palindrome. If it is not equal, it is not a palindrome. Let's run it. Okay, let's submit. Okay, 23 milliseconds beats 21.48% of the use. So if you see, we are actually solving this problem in O of n time complexity, but still this is not really fast. Let's submit it again and check. Okay, still the same result. Reason being, we are actually creating another string from the string buffer and then reversing it. We can actually check if it is a palindrome or not if we just compare this A with the last A, this M with the last M, then this A with the last A, right? This way we can actually take an approach where we keep 2 pointers, one from the start, one from the end, and one by one we compare the characters, and all the non-alphanumeric characters we remove them from the string, or we skip them. Like when we are at space, we just jump to the next character. Okay, this way we would still be solving it in O of n, but we may be getting a better time complexity. We can achieve a better time complexity this way. Okay, so let's quickly look at the other solution. Okay, so we need, for this new approach, we need 2 pointers, one from the start, one from the end, right? So we'll make 2 pointers, int left equal to 0. Since this is the starting pointer for start. Similarly, int right, this will be on the right hand, so it is supposed to be at this A, so this will be s dot length -1, pointer for the end of the string, let's say. We'll make it this also, pointer for the start of the string, right? So we got 2 pointers. Now we are going to run a loop where we'll compare first character and last character, right? So we'll simply check while left is less than right. Why left is less than right? Because when the left has reached, let's say, the center up till n, and right has reached the center up till C, we don't need to compare the equal to part, because equal to would be same for both of the strings and it would be same as well. Plus why left side should be less than right side, because if we have compared half of the string which is equal to the other half, then it is a palindrome eventually, right? Because first character is matching the end character, so when we reverse it, it will match that as well. Just to take an example, when we are saying CIVIC, my left pointer is at C, right pointer is at C. We compared them, they were equal. Then we compared I with I, they were equal. Then we reached V, let's say, and we compared them also, it is equal. Then when it moves forward, this I and this I would be equal as well, right? Because this I from the left hand was already compared with the I on the right side. So why to move the right pointer on the left side completely to the end and left pointer completely to the right end? Because once first half and second half are equal, they are eventually equal. Okay, now but we do have some, so let's first take the characters. Okay, so we'll say let me comment it, get the character. Okay, we'll get the character at the left pointer. Okay, left pointer is pointing to this part, and convert to lowercase, so that in equals comparison, lowercase a is same as uppercase A once we convert the uppercase A to lowercase. Okay, so we'll simply say char left char is equal to character dot to lowercase s dot caret left. so the leftmost character, right? Similarly, we'll get the character at the right pointer and convert to lowercase. So say char right char is equal to character dot to lowercase s dot caret right. So right, our right is pointing to the last character, so you'll get this a on the right hand, and left is pointing to the first character or the first place in the complete string. So space is also a character. Okay, so left is pointed here, right is pointed here. We converted both of them to lowercase and taken them as left character and right character respectively. Okay, now we are going to check if character dot is letter or digit. Okay, and we'll pass left char. So what are we checking here? We are checking if this character is either a letter or it is a digit, right? So now similarly in our earlier solution, when we were removing non-alphanumeric character, this one is actually checking for the alphanumeric character. And now we'll say when it is not alphanumeric character, I'll give not equal to sign. So when it is not alphanumeric character, so in case when we come at space on left hand side, since I am passing left char, when I come at space, I'll simply say, since it is a non-alphanumeric character, I'll say left plus plus. Okay, so I'll simply write this: if the left character is not a alpha numeric, move the left pointer to the right by doing left plus plus, right? Similarly, we'll check from the right side end as well. So we'll say if not equal to character dot is letter or digit, and we'll pass right char, right pointer. Let me give some space here for better understanding. So if this happens, that on the right hand side when we are coming, we encounter a space or when we encounter a non-alphanumeric character, we'll skip this. How will we skip this? We'll move the right pointer towards left side. So we'll say right minus minus. Okay, let me comment it. If the right character is not a alphanumeric, move the right pointer to the left. Okay, now so now we have already lowercase them one by one. We are getting the characters on the left pointer side, right character is taking the characters from the right pointer side, and then whenever there is alphanumeric character, we are skipping that character by simply moving the pointer forward, and on the right side simply by moving the right side pointer backwards, right? So now we'll do the actual comparison. Else if, so we'll check like this. Okay, we came to the while loop, left is less than right, true. We got a on this side, left char, so left char got a, right char got this a. We check if character dot is letter or digit, means not equal to letter or digit. No, this is a character, right? So it does not enter this loop. For the right one also this is a character, so it does not enter this loop as well. Now we will check if left char is not equal to right char, is not equal to right char. So if by any chance like in this case, or like let me write a quick example. If it was rather than civic, it was civil, so we got this on the left char, L on the right char. Since they are alphanumeric character, a loop didn't come to first if loop, loop didn't come to second if loop. Now we are checking if left char is not equal to right char. So C is not equal to L, right? So it cannot be a palindrome. We can simply return false. Simple. If it is not an alphanumeric character, we'll simply return false. Sorry, if it is an alphanumeric character, we simply return false if they are not matching. So we can say if the alphanumeric characters at left and right pointers are not equal, 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 it's not a palindrome. I think so much commenting was not required, but just for everyone's sake, I've still kept it. Else, so in case they do match, the left char is equal to right char, what will we do? We will simply say left plus plus and right minus minus. Why? Because we are now going to move the left pointer towards right and move the right pointer towards left. Because if it was something like this, civic, so C, this left hand side C and right hand side C have matched, so we'll move the left pointer plus plus, it will come to I, this right pointer minus minus will come to I again. Okay, so let's quickly check this with this example. So left char right now has A in uppercase, we moved it to lowercase, so now it has, left char has lowercase a, right char has lowercase a already, character dot to lowercase s dot caret right. Now we are checking if characters is letter or if not letter or digit, means is it non-alphanumeric? No, it is alphanumeric. It does not come to this loop, it does not come to this loop. Left char is not equal to right char? No, they are equal. A is equal to A, so it does not enter this loop, it enters the last loop where left plus plus, right minus minus. So now A comes to this part. When loop runs again, left char is character dot to lowercase s dot caret left. Left is now 1, earlier it has started from 0, right? So at one position we have space, blank space. So left char got blank space, right char got M. Okay, is left char a non-alphanumeric character? This space, yes, that is true, it is a non-alphanumeric character, right? Alphanumeric characters are alphabets or digits. Since it's a space, it enters this loop and we do left plus plus, so left moves from this space to M. Right is still at M, since it had entered this loop, rest of the cases are skipped, it comes again in the while loop. Now left char gets character dot to lowercase s dot caret left, which is now left value is 2, so 0 1 2 M. Right value is still overall length minus 1 and minus 1 more, so it is still at M. So now we'll say, is it a non-alphanumeric character? No, this loop is skipped. Is it a non-alphanumeric character? No, this loop is skipped. Is M not equal to M? No, this loop is skipped. Else left plus plus, right plus, minus minus. So from here it moves to A. So next time we are going to compare this A with this A, then N with this N. Comma will be skipped because of this part. Space will be skipped. Similarly on this side, space and colon will be skipped because of this piece of code. Okay, I hope that is clear. It was an easy problem and the solution. Let's see if we have improved a time complexity in any manner. Oh, there's a compilation error. I should have first run it. Where are we getting it? Okay, something. So I started here, solution is ending here. is palindrome is ending here, while loop is ending here. Where have I missed anything? Oh, okay, I forgot. If we are never returning the false and in the end this while loop gets completed, that would mean it was a palindrome. So we'll simply say return true. Let's run it. Okay, submit. Three millisecond. Okay, it beats 71.91%. Let's submit it again. Oh, okay, much better. Earlier we had 21.48% and now we are at 71.91%. There may be a solution much better than this one, but overall in the time complexity it will still be running in O of n. Okay, so now we can mark that valid palindrome problem is solved, right? Okay, that's all from today's video. Guys, if you have any questions or if you have any comments regarding the video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe.